Hello everyone, welcome to our channel ED to Psychology, and today we will be discussing the methods of inquiry in psychology. Let's begin. Now, so far we have understood that psychology is the study of experiences, behaviors and mental processes. You might be curious to know how psychologists study these phenomena, what methods they use to study behavior and mental processes. Now, like all other scientists, psychologists seek to describe, predict, explain, and control what we study. For this, psychologists rely on formal, systematic observation to address their questions. It is a methodology that makes psychology a scientific endeavor. Psychologists used a variety of research methods because questions about human behavior are numerous and all of them cannot be studied by a single method. Methods such as observation, experimental, correlation research, survey, psychological testing, and case study are more frequently used to study the problems of psychology. Now, let us quickly begin with the goals of psychological inquiry. Like any scientific research, psychological inquiry has the following goals: description, prediction, explanation, and control of behavior and application of knowledge so generated in an objective way. Description. In a psychological study, we attempt to describe a behavior or a phenomena as accurately as possible. This helps in distinguish a particular behavior from other behavior. For example, the researcher may be interested in observing study habits among students. Study habit may consist of diverse range of behaviors such as attending all your classes regularly, submitting assignments on time, planning your study schedule, studying according to the set schedule, revising your work on a daily basis, and etc. Within a particular category, there may be further minute descriptions. The researcher needs to describe her or his meaning of study habits. The description requires recording of a particular behavior which helps in its proper understanding. Prediction. The second goal of scientific inquiry is prediction of behavior. If you're able to understand and describe the behavior accurately, you come to know the relationship of a particular behavior with other type of behaviors, events, and phenomena. Now, you can then forecast that under certain conditions, this particular behavior may occur within a certain margin of error. For example, on the basis of study, a researcher is able to establish a positive relationship between the amount of study time and achievement in different subjects. Later, if you come to know that a particular child devotes more time for study, you can predict that the child is likely to get good marks in the examination. Prediction becomes more accurate with the increase in number of persons observed. Explanation. The third goal of psychological inquiry is to know the causal factors or determinants of behavior. Psychologists are primarily interested in knowing the factors that make behavior occur. Also, what are the conditions under which a particular behavior does not occur? For example, what makes some children more attentive in the class? Why some children devote less time for study as compared to others? Thus, this goal is concerned with identifying the determinants or conditions that lead to a particular behavior of the behavior being studied, so the cause-effect relationship between two variables, that is the objects and the event, could be established. Next comes the control. If we are able to explain why a particular behavior occurs, we can control that behavior by making changes in its antecedent condition. Antecedent condition means the condition that led to a particular behavior. Control refers to three things: making a particular behavior happen, reducing it, or enhancing it. For example, if you allow the number of hours devoted to study to be the same, or you can reduce them, or they may be increased in the study hours. The change brought about in behavior by psychological treatment in terms of therapy in a person is a good example of control. Application. The final goal of scientific inquiry is to bring out positive changes in the lives of people. Psychological research is conducted to solve problems in various settings. Because of these efforts, the quality of life of a people is a major concern of psychologists. For example, application of yoga and meditation help to reduce stress and increase efficiency. Scientific inquiry is also conducted to develop new theories or construct which leads to further research. That's it for this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe our channel. We wish you happy learning and let us discover this amazing field of psychology together. Thank you.